gonna continue the video here. Yeah, we heard you. We're gonna continue the video here. This is like 2 days after. Yeah, 2 days after.
Yeah.
Continue the process. So she pretty much here trying to pre-prep everything. This is a sauce that she was working on.
The fruit.
The fruit sauce thing.
That's how it is. A bit running, but that's fine.
And she got her bacon, her grease
It's
paper.
a 10-inch pan. It's 3 inches deep. I might fill it up, I might not. Depends. So this is 1 pound of flour with 1.5 teaspoons baking powder.
Okay.
And half teaspoon of salt, and I'm actually gonna stick this together.
The audience is gonna make a whole heap of noise, but no, keep it going. It's good. It's fine.
Big up the auntie them in the place.
Yeah, about girl. Give me history.
And it's 1 dozen eggs.
Okay.
I'm actually going to use 10 eggs and 2 egg whites.
Okay.
Not egg whites, egg yolks, I'm sorry. The whites, egg whites dry, cake them dry.
The whites make it dry.
Make cakes dry.
Okay.
So when you use more egg yolks than whites, then you get a moister cake.
Cool.
4 sticks of butter, which is equivalent to 1 pound of butter. 1 pound of brown sugar. You know, and I like that it's pre-packaged like this, so I just cut it and dump it.
Nice.
And this is the coloring. Now, most people use browning, like Eve browning or Grace browning. I actually prefer to use the burnt sugar. I think I can make it at home, but I don't want to try it myself.
Too much work.
Yeah, so it's sugar.
Yeah.
So you won't have that bitter taste that the actual meat browning or whatever leaves behind.
Yeah.
Right? And of course, I don't know what this coming like some man. Some of them. You don't know what you would do without them.
Here comes the diss. Oh, okay.
But so this makes everything much easier. Believe it or not. I know back in the day them used to use them wooden spoon.
Yeah.
But this is the bomb. So kudos to all the grandmas and moms and sisters who used to have to beat the thing. The cream, the butter and sugar.
Oh no, I'm gonna hear one father, but that's it. Go continue.
Oh no. And of course a spatula and a big nice silver bowl.
Getting back to that though, don't you think like that gives it a better consistency back than the old school?
But then them cakes still did taste good.
Yeah, that's true.
So them handed it. Oh, I'm have to buckle them hand there and sell them. Alright guys, so Steven tricked me a while ago. You know I was in the bathroom and I'm gonna say I call it Steven.
Yeah.
What your mother call you? Steven?
Steven Phillip.
No, she said Steven. So room temp ingredients.
Yeah.
Makes a better cake. So I took these out. The butter is actually cool to touch.
Okay.
It is pushable like that, you know, but it can't be too mushy or it's just gonna create soup.
Okay.
I don't remember why. Normally I watch somebody on YouTube and then say room temp is the best. But from that I start lick it out.
Yeah, cause when I make cheesecake, it's the same thing, like room temp.
Alright, so I'm just going to... Actually, I'm just going to put the butter in the pan here. Get these on. And make life easier.
Not to cut the shank, remember baby's kids?
What did it taste, Mom? This is something that's why my mother beat him like that. And every time I watch it, I forget to listen to the part.
Baby's kids is
But
so
he said,
funny.
you know, he was there at the time they made the cartoon.
Really?
He wasn't alive. He didn't put it together after him or something.
Cool.
Yeah. Alright. This is a big old 6-quart one. I'm going to be honest, I never need it. However, It was on sale Black Friday one year. This is usually like $600 and something. This one was $180.
Are you serious?
I cooked it up. I said, forget that 2 or 3 quart, whatever.
Yeah.
So this is kind of like 6,000 professional thing.
Yeah. It's overkill, but
yeah. So like some things I have to double the batter, or it don't actually reach.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Like when I'm making the icing, I double the batter because it don't reach. Alright, so let's get to step one. Because this cake took 3 hours, and Flyboy himself have me wait on him. So anyways, so we add 1 pound of butter and now the 1 pound of sugar.
Okay, so balance.
Now while this is beating, I don't know if you will be able to hear me. I'm going to be separating the 2 egg whites from yolks and also all the eggs, and I'm going to be sifting the flour. And so the 1 pound of flour, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
I'm sure you're gonna put up the recipe. You'll put the recipe in the
Yeah, just send it to me and I'll do that.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, please read the description box because you guys always ask me afterwards, oh, how do you make it? Sometimes it's
You know, I hate when YouTubers do that.
what?
Please read my description box.
Yeah,
Don't ask me no questions.
Well, I don't do it that way, but
I know you don't.
I inform them, you know, because like
sometimes nobody don't want to know and watch a video, but I promise you this video is all about technique.
that's
Like,
it.
Everybody makes the cake the same.
Yeah, it's true.
But this one is technique, and you will see why. So now that it comes together like this and it won't make a mess, turn this bad boy up. Until he is what I want him to be. And in the meantime,
Yo, journey end with that.
and then them pass it to each other. My sister tell me said we have about 3 cousins. Anyways, fun fact, this is not to sieve flour. This is a strainer. A sister is something different.
But you just improvise.
Just use it as it works.
Yeah, a lot of people gotta do that
to
too.
remove the lumps and also to get air through the flour. I don't know what the air do, but I know the lumps. The lumps, when you cut the cake, you just see the white.
Yeah.
That happened to me when I made the tofu first. So, basically, like that. There we go. All done. And now, cracking the egg. One still going. Now I'm at maximum speed with the mixer to start. Then we'll cut them a little bit at a time. Okay. So, say one day I was cracking like 20 eggs, and by the time I got to the 20th egg, it rotten.
Oh my
I had to
god.
throw the whole thing. So
I learned that early too. Yeah.
But I was so mad that, you know, it was the last one that actually taught me that lesson.
I was watching a baking video once and I heard it from someone.
Yeah. And also, you know, you learn a few things because then also I realized that when you hit it on the counter, you get less shell in it rather than when you use a knife and fork and crack it.
Really?
But I know, but so basically just gonna go through like this. And this is how I can ensure that I wouldn't advise you to use like a bowl like I'm using.
It's hard to
Like
see
I
the
can't see
difference.
the rotten egg.
Yeah.
But you can tell me.
There's another way to tell if eggs are good or not. I think when you put it in water, if they float.
The egg?
Yeah. I think if it's
in the shell?
yeah. I don't remember exactly. One of them sink and one floats. Rotten. I don't remember which one exactly, but you guys can Google that.
And then it's always good to turn them point down so that the yolk can breathe, because the yolk comes to the top.
Yeah, but the yolk, they're trying to
No, you know, somebody tell me that, and the man, they tell me never made no sense to me. I say, well, the man said he grew up on chicken farm, so.
Okay.
When the yolk needs to breathe still. That's true. Alright, so we go crack one now. You go crack this, right at the point, because the yolk up here, so. Right, so I'm gonna make a little. Sometimes I do it the other way. Right? And this, all the white come up first, or the yolk up on top.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, because the yolk up on the top. You know, to the what is the umbilical cord?
Yeah.
Father take him eye. And then say, when you make the cake, take out the eye them, cause them raw.
Alright, that looks good.
Also with flour, it's much easier for somebody to say 1 cup of flour or 4 cups of flour. The reason I said 1 pound of flour is, it's crazy that some flour, like having the one back home there, it would take 4 cups to make 1 pound, while others just take 3 cups. And you know, understand? So you know, I just have a little food scale, that's cheap, and just measure the flour.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So here are eggs. I just put them to the side while our baby beats. I also don't turn the oven on until I'm almost done. Like I said, it's gonna take at 275 for about 3 hours because of the size of the pan. So, oh yeah, parchment paper, you can never go wrong.
So they have to be careful because, so that means if they're making a smaller cake in a pan, like, because there's many variations.
Like thinner pan, usually it's like a 2-inch deep pan.
Okay.
The depth is like this.
Okay.
Or the typical foil pan that you get from the store that keeps like Chinese food always serving. Some people make cakes in that for Christmas. One thing with cake is smell it when it's simmering.
Okay.
And you use your eyes because you're too quick.
Yeah, double check
and
it.
test it. If you can bake any cake mix or any regular cake, you can whatever. Now I'm going to use my spatula and scrape the sides down, because homegirl decides that she never go by the scraping
or the scraping attachment.
Yeah, although I should, but then I would eliminate a lot of this. Right? So you can tell that this is not ready yet. I can still see the sugar crystals.
So I'm guessing you guys who are watching, you guys are gonna buy a few cakes, right? So you can buy that scraping next, that scraping.
It's not that expensive. I don't remember until I make the cake.
But still, buy the cakes when they come out this December. Or maybe some of you might be getting married, or you want to try it for yourself. So that's the purpose of the vlog.
Getting married. If it's in the US and shipping the cake, it will be the cake that you use this cake for the flavor.
The thing is, a lot of
the icing, or you know somebody with an icing.
the thing is, a lot of the people that watch the vlogs are in America, so most of them, like 50% of them, are in America. So
and it's not expensive because the fruit, like I said, if you just want that 5 cup of fruit, I bought 1 pound of raisins, 2 pounds of raisins, and 1 pound of currants. You can buy whatever you want and mix it. Just make sure that when you're making the cake, it doesn't matter what rum you use. Some people use Hennessy. Some people use any kind of alcohol they like to soak their food.
Okay.
But just make sure that when you're making the cake, you have at least 5 to 6 cups of pureed fruits to put in the cake, and that's what's going to make it the rich fruit cake.
Okay.
Because if you put 4 fruits, it will taste like a cake with it gonna be cakey.
Okay.
Right? And you don't want that unless that's the style. I've made that before with some out of fruit.
Yeah.
I'm like it.
Okay.
You know, but
6 Flags. Oh yeah, you get
like,
yeah.
that's what's different. That did have a kind of like a different texture.
Okay.
Yeah, that was not what I was looking for, but then I realized, oh, this
It could work. Yeah.
if somebody likes it like that.
Alright.
Alright everyone, so this is basically what I want to see.
Hold on.
Can't imagine say butter and sugar that, right?
That man say it has a
Nice and fluffy. Alright, so now I'm going to add half of the eggs and then the other half on low speed.
why?
The minute, because if you overbeat eggs, you have hard crusts on your cake. Remember, egg whites when you beat them make meringue, and meringue is hard. So if we over, so I'm going to add, like, pour out some. Now this batter going to curdle a lot. I don't know if I curdle it.
Yeah, Jamaicans know what you're talking about.
Yeah. And a low speed. And notice that the white kind of the yolk dissolve. So then I'm going to add the rest. You don't eggs kind of, you know, really affect your cake. You also don't want to have your cake sitting out, as in the raw batter. So as you pop it out of your mixer, put in your flour, everything, pop it in the oven.
Good to
You
know.
have to make the egg start cooking.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah, because it's a lot of protein in there.
Yeah.
So it starts cooking immediately.
Have to make the egg start. And of course, you know, one of them things that bacteria just start growing
Immediately.
Alright, so this didn't curdle like I thought it would. Steven, give me the good one.
Guys, I really hope you guys hit that like button, that's for sure. Because I know some of y'all just sitting at home, want to listen to someone doing something. You might not even bake a cake, but you might buy it. So just hit that like button.
And like and subscribe.